Hi, I'm Shambhu Kidel, founder of KB Global and a principal migration agent with over 11 years of experience helping people just like you move to Australia. If you are a skilled worker looking to live and work in Australia permanently without needing sponsorship from an employer or a state, the 189 skill independent visa could be the perfect pathway for you. So what exactly is the 189 visa? It is a point-tested permanent visa for a skilled individual who have qualification and experience in demand in Australia. With this visa, you can live, work and study anywhere in the country, sponsor eligible family member and even apply for citizenship down the time. To be eligible, you will need an occupation on the skill occupation list, a positive skill assessment, a minimum of 65 points on the general skill migration point test, to be under 25 years of age at the time of invitation, at least competent English, and to meet health and character requirement. Here's how the application process works. Check if your occupation is eligible. Get your skill assessed by the relevant authority. Submit an expression of interest (EOI) through the SkillSelect. Wait for an invitation to apply. Lodge your visa application with all required documents. Wait for processing. Current time range from 5 to 9 months. Now, why do so many skilled professionals choose the 189 visa? No sponsorship needed, full independence, permanent residency from day one, freedom to live and work anywhere in Australia, clear pathway to citizenship, ability to sponsor eligible family member. At KVA Global, we have helped thousands of skilled workers navigate this process successfully. One of the key things we do is help you increase your points, whether that's through English test preparation, partner points, or strategic skill assessment planning. If you are serious about moving to Australia and want to export help to make your application stand out, get in touch with us today. Book a free consultation and let's talk about your option. And if you found this video helpful, feel free to explore our other visas guide on the KB Global website. We are here to help you every step of the way.